Hello, Keshav. Hi, Anaga. Hello, Rishikesh. Good evening, all.
All right, so would like to inform you about the setting. You all will be on mute in demo class, but in upcoming classes, you will be able to interact with the mentor freely. Okay, so today, whatsoever you have to communicate to us and we want to ask from you, you have to respond it back in the chat box, right? Or you can do it via gestures also. You can show thumbs up or appropriate gestures. Okay. Yeah. So quickly type it in the chat box from which school and city you all are joining us. Hope we are getting answers. So Keshav, Anaga, please turn on your cameras as we don't allow students to set the cameras off in our classes. Good to see Rishikesh.
Hurry up, kids. We all are waiting for the answers.
Yes, good to see Anaga. What about Keshav? Keshav, please turn on your camera and type it in the chat box from which school and city you all are joining us.
Anaga is typing. I can see her.
Anaga is joining us from Bangalore, Shri Kumaran Public School. Nice, good to know that. What about Rishikesh and Keshav? Okay, we got it.
Keshav is joining us from Amity, Gurugram, Sector 46.
Very nice.
Okay, so Rishikesh is joining us from Sri Chaitanya Morampudi. She's joining. Okay, he's joining us from Andhra Pradesh. All right, very good.
Very nice. Good to know that. So,
Yes.
Megha ma'am, let's ask a tricky question from them. Are you ready for the same?
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Okay, so you have to multiply your actual age with number 7, and that answer you have to type it in the chat box. So multiply your actual age with number 7 and type it in the chat box. How? So Anaga is 70 years old. Keshav
Keshav is
team.
20 years.
Very
What
nice.
about Rishikesh?
So I hope your mentor is writing everything in mentor tablet your actual age, right? And what about Rishikesh? You have not multiplied your actual age with number 7. Okay, meanwhile, Rishikesh is thinking. So I'll be updating you about the flow of the session. As I already mentioned that you will be on mute, but in upcoming classes, you will be able to interact with the mentor freely. Okay. Soon Megha ma'am will be going to paste few chat links in the chat box, wherein you'll be going to get to know about your course. Moving forward, you'll be going to meet your mentor. She is already here with us. Then ma'am will be going to show you a short informative PPT related to your course along with the dashboard tour, that how you can have access of your course, your material and everything on the dashboard. Okay. Hope I'm clear to all of you. Show me a thumbs up on the screen. Great. So Megha ma'am, can we have a chat links in the chat box?
Sure, ma'am. I hope my chat links is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, kids, as you can see, the first link is all about syllabus link. To know more about your syllabus, just click on this particular link. Payment can be made by just clicking on this particular link. You can share your feedback by just clicking on this link. All the batch details will be just having on clicking on this particular link. In case of further queries, you can email us at support@olympiadsuccess.com or drop us a WhatsApp on these two particular numbers. If you find any internet glitch while having this video, we are going live on Facebook. You just need to click on this link and you can have this video on Facebook itself. So this is all about chat links. I hope I'm clear to everyone. Show me thumbs up. Very nice. Over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So I'll not take much time. I'll make you introduce with the mentor. She's already here with us. Her name is Miss Kunjan. She's a wonderful mentor with conceptual clarity. Her classes are very interactive, engaging, plus interesting, along with some productivity. So all over to you, Gunjan, ma'am.
Someone also added. Hello, everyone. Good evening. How are you all? Good? Okay. So how you find maths? Easy, tough? Easy or tough? You can write it in the chat. How you think maths is for you? Very easy? Easy, ma'am. Rishikesh is saying easy. Shivansh is saying easy. Okay. Anaga is saying easy. Okay. If it is easy, then do you find any difficult topic in your syllabus? Everything is very easy for Shivansh, I think. Huh? Okay. Yes, which topic you find difficult? Anaga, Rishikesh, what about you? Anaga, easy. Okay. No topic is difficult for you.
Shivansh is typing, I guess. Anaga
What
has
mass?
typed.
Okay. Okay. So why you find different Olympiad questions or Olympiad exams to be different? Can you tell me? Why these Olympiad exams are different from your normal exams? I'm just asking so that you can interact with me. You just remove your hesitation and type the things. Rishikesh, Naga, they have tough questions. Okay, Rishikesh is saying it is having tough questions. They are HOTS question. Okay, Naga, what is this HOTS? HOTS means high order thinking skills. Is it so? High order thinking skills. Okay, they are high order thinking skills questions. What about you, Rishikesh? How you find that Olympiad questions are different from your normal questions? Because they are harder and they have twisted questions. Okay. Now, if you people are thinking that maths is easy for you, then I don't think these questions will be harder for you. The only difference is that you have to just understand the question. Okay, once you get the question, then you will be able to solve how to do it and what we have to find. Only two things we need to make out, what and how. Okay, what we need to find out and how we are going to do that. One more thing that you also do in your normal examination, but here we have to work on your speed. Okay, every time we will not work that how to get by step, we will also learn how to eliminate and get the answers from the options. Okay, how to eliminate some options and how to get it from the options. I hope the classes that we are taking will speed up your calculations or speed up your way to get the answer, and it will be fun learning with you all, and let's see how we will make up. Okay, over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So good to see that what all you're finding difficult, because obviously this will be going to help you mentor in your classes, right? So moving forward, Megha ma'am, can we have a PPT on the screen, please?
Yes,
So
ma'am. Sure.
friends, this PPT is related to your course, so I advise you to just have a look on the PPT carefully.
I believe my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
All right. So I welcome you all on the platform of Olympiad Success. So this is the demo interaction program for grade 5 and the subject is mathematics. So Olympiad Success is the India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examination. These are the first exclusive live classes for Olympiad's preparation, one of its kind yearly program that includes courses that matters. We have 8 courses having mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken and written, Vedic maths, and coding. What else we provide? We provide online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes from grade 2 to grade 12. One-on-one preparation classes for International Mathematics Olympiad, SASMO, CMO, HKIMO, TIMO, Maths Counts, US Common Core Maths Competition, Maths Kangaroo, and PRMO. These are the rank holders. These are the kids like you only. So if you want that your picture should be here, but what you need, just 2 hours extra from the regular curriculum activities, because Olympiad examination is quite little tougher than the regular curriculum. So we have group session with around 20 students delivered through Zoom by tutors with significant teaching experience. 3 sessions per week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 5 p.m. till 6:15 p.m. Having 5 minutes of breaks. The session includes mix of theory, practice question, doubt sessions, and discussions of the previous year papers. You'll get a reading material and practice question available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success, and students will get free access to Olympiad Success platform to practice topic like mock tests for both logical reasoning and maths, having 10 to 15% of this question. So, syllabus is available on this particular link, and the fee of this course is rupees 8,532. It is a 36 session course, and payment can be made by using this particular link. This fees includes online classes, daily reading notes and exercise, practice of previous year papers, and access of Olympiad Success platform. What else you require? A laptop or desktop with good internet speed, laptop and desktop with camera, and headphones for the better audio clarity. So live classes will be starting from 9th of September, which is on Monday. So in 2023-24, Olympiad Success has students more than 5,000 schools across India and abroad. So this is all about informative PPT. I hope I'm clear to everyone. Yes, kids? Show me thumbs up. Yay, great. Over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So let me take you through dashboard. Hope all can see my screen. What you have to do, students, you have to just enter this URL olympiadsuccess.com and you will get this page on your screen. After this, you have to just enter your user details for login. These are those details. The moment you will enroll, you will get you will be going to use your ID. So that ID and password which you will set it, you have to use it for login. Okay. So make sure you will fill it correct one, otherwise you will not be able to log in. After logging in, you will get your profile details on your screen. Check your details. In case you find any error, you can rectify it over here and you can click on update button. Click on live classes for your material. So in this, you can see everything is systematically designed and planned for you. So what you have to do first, you have to select your subject and topic and you're good to go. So you can see schedule is over here. Holiday calendar, reading material, question papers, and answer keys. So schedule carries a topic divided into subtopics that in which session you're going to go with specific topic. Holiday calendar will give the clarity that you can plan your days accordingly because we do have festival holidays. Reading material will be there for you. Practice question papers and answer keys. So I'll show you step by step. So here is a schedule. So which I already mentioned that main topics are divided in subtopics. So you can see that after completion of every chapter, there's a test discussion day, right? So in case you have any doubt in particular chapter, after completing your test, you can ask from your mentor for sure. So everything is designed systematically for you that you should not miss any of the practice to appear for your Olympiad examination. So in the end, there will be super classes. So in these classes, you'll be going to prepare your practice your previous year papers, which will be again more helpful for you for your Olympiad examinations. So just a glimpse of holiday calendar that you can plan your days accordingly. So here is a reading material. Yeah. So you can see the topic is mentioned in detail for your depth understanding. Here is a question paper. So I recommend you can see each and every PDF is downloadable. So for question paper, I recommend you to just download the paper, take out the printout, solve it, and then you can check your answer keys also, right? So the best part of our platform is the moment you solve any of the paper, you no need to wait for a longer time to just get your result and answer keys. Same moment you can check your answer keys that how many questions you have done correct, how many questions you have done wrong. Right, so here you go with the answer keys. So I'll take you through more worksheets wherein that will be helpful for you for your practice. So click on worksheet button, select your subject, and here you go with your worksheets. Click on take exam. So I'll be going to show you that how you can attempt your worksheet. Read instructions carefully. Click on this icon, start worksheet. So you can see there's 25 questions for your practice. So I'll be going to show you for 2-3 that how you can attempt your paper. But you should make sure that you have to attempt each and every question, okay? So a company earned rupees this in a year. If the total expense would be this, how much money was saved? So you have to solve it, and then let's say this will be the answer. And moving ahead on second question. So let's say I have doubt in second question. I want to review this question once again before submitting my worksheet. So what I'll be going to do is I can mark this question for reviewing before submitting my worksheet. So this is the question. A train has 16 coaches and each coach can accommodate 120 passengers. How many passengers the train can accommodate? Can anybody write the answer in the chat box of this question? Let me see. Or you can write the answer to your mentor, Gunjan ma'am. Gunjan ma'am, hope we got a correct answer.
Let's see what they are giving. Okay, Shivansh.
Hurry up, guys. Your mentor is waiting.
You are giving your answers to everyone.
You were supposed to give it to your mentor or to me. Okay, so this you have sent in common. So let me pick up answer which you have chosen. It's 1920. Okay. So moving on next. So let's say I've done all my questions. So I want to submit my worksheet. For that, I'll be going to fill that answer which I've marked for reviewing once again. Okay. So I've filled that answer. Now I'm good to go to submit my worksheet. Click on finish button. Yes, I have reviewed all the questions and I'm good to go. So the best part again is I can see my performance, how I performed in the worksheet, here only. And click on performance button for the same. Select your subject. And here you go. So you can see I attempted this worksheet just now, so I can check the performance. Click on view button. And you can see I've attempted 3 questions, wherein 2 are correct, 1 is wrong, right? So let's see which answer you people have given. It's 1920. Just a moment. It was a third question, right? Okay, so the first one is, let's see the third one. Yes, it was a correct answer, 1920. Great. So you all are super brainy, I can see. So that was it about the dashboard. If anybody is having any doubt and queries related to a dashboard, drop it in the chat box. We'll be happy to answer your queries. So what you have to do is you have to log out before moving ahead, and here you can do the logout part. Okay, so let me stop sharing my screen. Yes, kids, if anybody is having any doubt related to a dashboard or course days or any of the Olympiads, please drop it in the chat box. We'll be happy to answer your each and every query. If not, then show me thumbs up on the screen. Then we'll be going to move forward with the demo because your mentor is already waiting for you to start the class. Mohammed, please turn on your camera. Hey, Shivansh, good to see you. Shivansh, hope you are aware. You will be on mute in demo class, all students, okay? But in upcoming classes, you will be able to interact with the mentor freely. So today, whatsoever you have to say and you want to ask from us, you need to use a chat box, okay? Great. Oh, so many thumbs up I got in the chat box. Great. I think we are good to go for the demo, Gunjan now. All over to you, ma'am.
So many students have joined now. Okay, students, so today you are on mute option and I want everyone to open your video so that I can see you. Keshav, Mohammed Ronak, Pranit Dubey, just open your videos. Am I audible properly? Okay. The chapter that we are going to start is a fraction. I hope that this chapter you already learned in your previous classes. In class 4 also. Can you tell me what are these fractions? Why we use it? Can you write it in the chat? But give your answer to me only on Gunjan Jain, not to everyone. In your setting option, in your chat option, there is a setting called to, where you can choose Gunjan Jain. Do not send it to everyone. Yes. What do you understand by fractions? Write it in the chat. What do you understand by fractions? Yes. Give me answer fast. Am I audible? Okay. Correct, Pranit. Anatha, correct. Yes, Shivansh. Mohammad Ronak. Keshav. What is your answer? What you understand by fraction? Okay, yes. Pranit told me that it is a part of a whole. Anaga is telling that it is not a whole number. That is correct. That whenever, suppose your set starts, whenever we are talking about number system, our number system starts from complete numbers. Complete numbers, we say that suppose I gave you any part, suppose I ask you how many apples are there, right? So can you tell me how many apples I have made? How many apples I have made here? How many apples I have made? 4. Okay. So here what you have done, you have started your counting from 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So one set of number is known as your counting numbers, which starts from 1 and goes up to infinite, right? So counting number starts from 1, which we also call it as natural numbers, right? Natural numbers or counting numbers are the same thing. Now, after that, we got to know that there is one more number that is called your zero. When we include zero in some number in 1, 2, 3, 4, and it goes up to infinity, then it makes a different set. This number is called, this set of number is called, what we call these numbers when we include zero in the natural number. Anagha, correct. When we add zero in the natural numbers, a set of number is formed that is called your whole number. Shivansh, correct, but change your setting. Send your answer to me only. This is called your whole number. So all these numbers are your complete numbers. But suppose if I talk about these diagrams, that if I take a complete chocolate or a complete pizza, but I have given only some portion of it, I have given only this portion to someone, which is not complete one, then what about those quantity? If any number lies in between two whole numbers, for example, 0 and 1, there is some quantity, then we need fractions or decimal. That means a part of a whole that is not complete. Okay, then we require fractions or decimal. So when we talk about fraction are represented by the number using numerator and denominator. So we require numerator divided by denominator. This is your fraction. Now, what represents numerator? What represents denominator? Can you tell me? What is a numerator? What is a denominator? Today we are going to cover this. What is a fraction? What are types of fractions? How we convert fraction into another type and some properties of it. Okay. So we have already learned that fraction represent a part of a whole or number of how many equal parts we have done. Okay, numerator and denominator. Now, can you tell me how we get this numerator, how we get that denominator? Yes. Suppose I have made a figure like this. Okay, and I have divided this, if this complete figure is known as one whole. Okay, I am dividing this into 5 equal parts. Okay, just see here, Pranit, some doubt here. If it is a complete part and I have divided into 5 equal parts, I am shading 2 parts of it. Okay, and my question is, how much fraction is shaded? How much fraction is shaded? Can you tell me what is the answer? How much fraction is shaded in this? Rishikesh, correct. Pranit, correct. Anaga, correct. How much part is shaded? You can write it in the chat. How much part is shaded? Shivansh? Keshav, what is your answer? Yes, so correct answer is 2 by 5. How we get this 2 by 5? 2 is your numerator and 5 is your denominator. So a denominator represents total how many equal parts we have done. Total how many equal parts you have done of a whole. Okay, total how many equal parts you have done. And what numerator represents? That what you want. What is the question? Okay, what you want. Now I want how much? Shaded parts. So shaded parts are how many? Only 2. And how many parts we have done total? 5. So this is your fraction that represents the shaded part. Okay, so whatever be the question, whatever it is asked, that comes in the numerator, and in the denominator, how many equal parts you have done, that you have to tell me. Okay, now here, if I see this, then this complete whole is divided into 4 equal parts. We have made 4 quadrants. And if I ask you how many parts are green here, then only one is this. So 1 out of 4. Okay, so this is your answer, 1 out of 4. Now, if I ask you in this, how many parts are white here? Can you tell me the answer? How many parts are white? What fraction is white in this figure? What fraction is white in this figure? In fractions, you have to give the answer, Anaga. What fraction is white? Yes, Anaga, correct. Shivansh, correct. Rishikesh, correct. So to calculate white portion, white fraction, what we have to do, we will find in the numerator how many white parts are there, and in the denominator, how many total parts are there, right? So how many white parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 parts are white, and how many total parts are there? 7. So 6 by 7 portion is white shaded. Okay, clear? Any doubt? Okay, Pranit. I hope how to find the shaded parts are clear. Next. Now, how many types of fractions, proper fractions and improper fraction? Can you give me any example which define what are proper fraction, what are improper fraction? Yes, proper fraction. Give me the example of proper fraction. Anagha, correct. Rishikesh, correct. Shivansh, correct. Okay, Rishikesh, improper fraction, correct. You can give me the answer for improper also. Yes, Shivansh, correct. Anagha, correct. Yes, so here proper fractions are those fractions whose numerator is less than the denominator. Suppose I have taken numerator as 3 and denominator should be greater than the upper value. So let's say I am taking 3 by 5. Okay, so 3 by 5, 1 by 6, 2 by 9, 11 by 13, all are example of your proper fraction. And if I talk about improper fraction, then above value should be greater than the below value. So 13 by 3, 15 by 7, 21 by 9, or 15 by 2, all are examples of proper fraction. Now, if you find these numbers in decimals, you will get that all here proper fraction, its value will come less than 1. Whenever we are talking about proper fraction, its value is always less than 1. And if we talk about here in improper fraction, if you divide 13 by 3, how many times it will come in decimals? Can you tell me? In decimals, what will be the answer if you divide 13 by 3? Do it long division. 13 by 3. What will you get? Shivansh, okay. I want the answer in decimals, okay. So answer whatever question you are getting, that is coming greater than 1. Question is coming greater than 1. If you are not able to find it in decimal, your question is coming greater than 1 or not. So here it is coming 4.33. Okay. And again, if we find for this one, this will be 7.5. This much will be 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So 2 point something it is coming. 7 twos are 14. So 2 point something again it is coming. Whenever you are finding improper fraction, it's here if you find suppose 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 0.5 only. 1.1 by 4. 1 by 4 is 0.25 only. So whenever you are finding these values, its value is less than 1. Now what about if your numerator is equal to denominator? This will be in improper fraction or proper fraction? If numerator is equal to denominator, then it is a proper fraction or improper? Okay, it is a whole number. So whole numbers are not fraction. Is it so? 2 is a fraction or not a fraction? Can you tell me? If I write a number 2, then it is a fraction or not a fraction? Two is a fraction because we can write 2 as 2 by 1 also. 2 by 1. Any number that can be written in the form numerator by denominator is called your fraction. So here 2 by 1. Can you tell me 2 by 1 is a proper or improper fraction? 2 by 4 is 2 by 1 is improper fraction. This is your improper fraction. So that means whole numbers can be written in fraction and they are improper fraction. So when numerator is equal to denominator, then also it is improper fraction. So when numerator is equal to 1 or numerator is greater than 1, greater than, your numerator is greater than denominator or numerator is equal to denominator, then it is called improper fraction. Clear? Any doubt up to here? Clear? Okay. Next, we are having one more type of fraction, that is called your mixed fraction. Can you tell me what it is? Mixed fraction. Can you give me any example? What are mixed fractions? Yes, Anaga, correct. Okay, so Anaga has given me an example as 1/4. Okay, Pranit has given 5/2. Give your answer to me only, not to everyone. Okay, 1/4, 5/2. I got these answers. They are mixed fraction. So what does that mean? They are a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction, because 1/4 is what? It is 1 plus 1/4. Okay, so 1 is a whole number and 1/4 is a proper fraction. So that's why we say that mixed fraction is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Now, how to make this in a diagram? Suppose I have taken two squares. Okay, in both the squares, I have made 4 parts of it. Okay, and I have shaded some parts. In this, all parts are shaded, and in this, one part is shaded. Okay, so how much fraction is shaded here? This is complete. So you can say 4 shaded out of 4. And here you will say 1 shaded out of 4. So this 4/4 you can write as 1 plus 1/4, or in the mixed fraction you are writing it as 1/4. Clear? This is how we make mixed fraction. Okay. Now, can you tell me how much portion is shaded if I make like this? 3 triangles I have made. In this, all are shaded. In this, all are shaded. And in this, 2 are shaded. Can you tell me how much portion is shaded? Okay, Anagha. Pranit, no. I'm asking how much fraction is shaded, Pranit? No, Shivansh. You have to consider all 3 triangles. How much portion is shaded in these 3 triangles? How much portion is shaded in this? Yes, Shivansh, correct. How much portion? We can say 4/4 or we can say 1 complete, because one whole triangle is shaded. Here also one whole triangle is shaded, but here 2/4 is shaded. 2 out of 4 parts are shaded. So 1 plus 1 plus 2/4. 1 plus 1 plus 2/4, which we can write as 2 plus 2/4. This 2/4 should be written in reduced form. So divide 2/4 and we can write it as 2 1/2. Okay, we can write 2 2/4 also, and we can write 2 1/2 also when we write it in reduced form. Okay, 2 2/4 is also correct, and 2 1/2 is also correct. I have divided 2/4 by 2, divide by 2 both sides. You will get 1/2. Okay, clear? Any doubt in this? Okay, next. Now, this is example of your proper fraction in which your numerator is less than your denominator. So, smaller Numerator we require, larger denominator we require. In improper fraction, numerator should be greater than the denominator. Okay. Now, this is an example of a mixed fraction, which is a combination of a natural number and a fraction. This is more correct. It should be a natural number because we will not take 0 in that. So it is a combination of natural number and fraction. Okay. Now, what are equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions, do you know that? What are equivalent fractions? Okay. Equivalent fractions are those fractions which have the same value. Okay. What does that mean? Suppose there is a chocolate. This is a chocolate bar, and I have divided this chocolate bar into 3 parts. Now I am giving only one part of this chocolate to Rishikesh. Okay. So that means how much I have given to Rishikesh? 1/3. Now I am having same chocolate, but I have divided it into 6 equal parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now I have given 2 parts of it to Shivansh. Okay, so how much portion I have given? 2 out of 6. Now I am having same chocolate bar, but I have divided it into 12 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 12 divisions I have done, but I am giving 4 parts of it to Anaga. Okay, Anaga becomes happy that she is getting 4 parts of it. Okay, she is getting so much pieces, but are they different? Have I done any injustice to anyone? No, because the values are same here. Because here also Rishikesh is getting this much portion only. Shivansh is getting same this portion only. And Anaga is also getting the same this portion only. Only I have divided the number of parts, but the values are same in all. And if you see 1/3, if I multiply it by 2 in both numerator and denominator, I will become 2/6 only. Okay, and in 2/6, if I multiply it by 2, it will become 4/12 only. So all values are same. So that means equivalent fractions can be made by multiplying with the same number in the numerator and denominator. So infinite equivalent fractions you can make. You can make into 2, so it will become 2/4. You can multiply 1/2 into any number and it will become 3/6. So any number you can multiply in the numerator and denominator, you will get an equivalent fraction. Also, you can divide also. Suppose I have given 4/10. If you divide both the numerator and denominator by 2, you will get 2/5. So infinite equivalent fractions can be made. Can you write 3 equivalent fractions of 3/5? 3 equivalent fractions of 3/5. Anaga, second one, second is not correct. Check again. Yes, correct. Yes, Anaga. Now, I'm not getting what you have sent me last. 3/6 is not correct. Yes, Rishikesh, Hemant, send your answer. Write 3 equal. Okay, 3 by. No, this is not correct, Anaga. You have to multiply with the same number in numerator and denominator. Equivalent, 3 equivalent fraction you have to write for 3/5. 3/5. You can take any number, 1, 2, 3, 10,000, any number. Yes, now it is correct, Anaga. So if I multiply, so 3 equivalent fractions I have to make. So 3 into 5, I am multiplying it by 2. In numerator and denominator, I will get 6 by 10. If I multiply with 3, I am getting 9 by 15. If I multiply it by 4, I will get it like 4 3s are 12, 5 4s are 20. Okay, I can, if they are asking you, you can make it by 10 also, 10, 100. That will be very easy. 3 by 5, 30, 50, 300, 500, 3000, 5000, like that. It will be very easy for you to write. Okay. I hope this is clear. Okay, can I say that? Okay, one more question. I have given one fraction as 9 by 15. Can you make any equivalent fraction in which your denominator is 60? What should come here? If they both are equivalent fraction, give me the answer. What I will write here so that both are equivalent fraction. Anaga, correct? Pranit, correct? Rishikesh, not correct. Check again. Some multiplication error. Yes, Rishikesh, correct now. Now, how we get that? 15 into 4 is 60. So here also I have to multiply by 4. 9 4s are 36. So equivalent fraction is 36 by 60. Yes, Pranit, correct. Okay. Now, can you tell me if I have given you one equivalent fraction as 12 by 120, what equivalent fraction you will make here when your denominator is 40? What you will write here? Pranit, correct. Anaga, check again. Pranit Dubey, correct. Rishikesh, not correct. How 120 becomes 40? Check. How 120 becomes 40? Anaga, not correct. Yes, Pranit, correct. Not getting? See, 120 becomes 40 if I divide by 3. Okay. 120 by 3 is 40. So here also you have to divide by 3. So what is 12 by 3? 12 by 3 is 4. Yes. And here if you see 12 by 120 and here only same number and after that 1 0 is added. Right? So here also 4 by 40, 1 0 should be added. Okay. It is also 1 by 10. This is also 1 by 10. Okay. How we do mixed fraction, convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, suppose this is very easy. I hope you have done in your previous classes also, that if mixed fraction is 2 3 by 4 given, then what you will do, you will multiply these two numbers. So 2 into 4 you will do and then add with 3. So 4 into 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. So you will get your answer 11 in the numerator and same denominator you will write. Okay, so if I have given you 5, 2 by 3, then what is the improper fraction of it? 5, 2 by 3, what is the improper fraction? Yes, Anaga, correct. 5 2 by 3 is equal to what? Pranit, correct. Right, students, what is the answer? Shivansh, Rishikesh? 5 2 by 3. No, Rishikesh, your denominator is not correct. 3 into 5, 3 is multiplied with 5 and 5 is added with 2. 3 into 5 plus 2 and denominator will remain same. This will remain 3 only. Okay, so this is 17 by 3. Okay, 17 by 3 is correct. Any doubt? Any doubt, students? Should I move on to the next sheet? Okay. Improper to proper. Now, first you have converted mixed fraction to improper. Now you have to convert this into mixed fraction. Okay. Now what you will do? Simply long division. 7 by 3 is given. Then you have to do the long division. Okay. Can you, now what you will, how to write it? First you will write what question you got. So question, then you will write this remainder. So question, remainder upon the number through which you are dividing, or write the same number here. Okay. So divisor. So the question, remainder and then divisor. Now can you write 17 by 2 in mixed fraction. 17 by 2 in mixed fraction. Write 17 by 2 in mixed fraction. Yes, Pranit, correct. Anaga, correct. Rishikesh, Shivansh, Keshav, what is your answer? Seventeen by 2 in mixed fraction. Rishikesh, again, denominator is not correct. Denominator will remain same. Here denominator is 2, it will remain 2 only. Divide 17 by 2. So 8 2s are 16. Remainder is 1. First we will write what is questioned. So questioned is what answer you got. So this is 8. Now what is the remainder? 1. Divide by which number? 2. So 8 1 by 2 is the answer. Okay. Now try 39 by 7. 39 by 7. Please write down. Mixed fraction. 39 by 7. Yes, Pranit, correct. Shivansh, write it. 39 by 7 in mixed fraction. Anaga, not correct. Shivansh, correct. Rishikesh, correct. Okay. So let's divide 39 by 7. So 7 5s are 35. Remainder is 4. First write what is the question. So this is 5. Now write the remainder and the number which you have divided. So answer is 5 4 by 7. Okay. I hope this is clear. Okay. Next, chocolate questions. Read the question and give me the answer. Raman brought a medium pizza with 8 slices in it. Draw a diagram, okay? It will be easy for you. Draw a diagram, what it is given. Sanju brought an extra large pizza which is having 24 slices in it. If Sanju ate 9 slices from his extra large pizza, then how many slices Raman ate from his pizza, considering the fact that they form equivalent fraction? Okay, Pranit. So Sanju ate how many? What is the fraction of Sanju that he has ate pizza? Sanju pizza eaten fraction will be how many pieces he has eat? Anaga, correct? He has eat 9 slices out of 24. Okay. And we don't know how much Raman has eaten, but total slices in it are 24. Sorry, are 8. Now, they both are equivalent fraction. Now, what value of x should be there so that both are equivalent fraction? If you have to find this x, how they will become equivalent fraction? Pranit, correct. How 24 will become 8? By which number I will divide so that it will become 8? 8 3s are 24. So divide by 3. So here also you have to divide by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3 only. So this is 3 by 8. 3 by 8 and 9 by 24 are equivalent fractions. Is it clear? Next question. So this is your answer. I have already told you. Now next. Maddie had a farm of 369 acres, which he decided to distribute among his 3 kids. If every kid got equal proportion of land, then what fraction of land did 2 kids got out of the total land? You have to find in fractions only. Not getting? This is a complete land. He decided to distribute this into kids, 3 kids, in equal proportion. So how many total parts I have to do? Total parts will be? No, Anaga. Total parts. How many kids are there? Which he wants to divide? 3 kids, right? 3 kids are there. Okay. And then what fraction of land did 2 kids will get? So 1 kid will get this much, second kid will get this much, 2 kids will get this much. So what fraction is this? 2 by 3 only, right? This is not required. This portion is not required. Okay, you can do it directly. 2 by 3. Because you are not leaving anything, you are dividing the whole parts into 3 portions, and you have to find only for 2 kids. If you are doing with the help of this, then yes, you can see the solution, but it is of no use. See, if we see the solution here, Maddie has 369 acres of land. Sorry. And he has divided it into 3 parts. So 369 divided by 3, they have done. Now one kid got 123, second kid got 246. Fraction is 246 by 369. Does it have any sense? No. total is divided into three equal parts and you have to find for 2. So answer is 2/3 only. Okay. Any doubt in this question? Okay, next. Tell me this fast. Yes, Anaga, first answer correct. Rishikesh, correct. Okay, leave second. I think this is not a proper question. Leave second. You can leave second question. Okay. This is just for practice. We will do these questions in the class. Okay. You can leave it here. They are just practice questions. When we will learn about like fractions, how to compare the fractions, then we will do. Okay. You can do only the first question, which is false here. This is coming as 1947 by 150. This is not coming 1937, right? 12 into 150 plus this, okay? And here answer is also wrong. Here same denominator should, do not do every time calculation. Just you can check for some portion only. That here it should be 15 only, but they have given you 75. Now, okay, but are they equal? You have to check. In any table, if you are forming it, 14 by 15, then it will become 15 plus 14 by 15, right? Which is equal to 29 by 15. But they have given you 75. By which number it will become 75? Can you tell me? By which number I will multiply? So 15 5s are 75. Here also if I multiply by 5, then what will be the answer? 5 9s are 45, 4 carry over. And this is 145 by 75 only. So this is correct. This is true. This is false. They have written equivalent fraction only. So this is correct. Okay, just check that denominator. Okay, any doubt? Okay, I hope today's class is clear. We will read more topics in the classes. I hope we will meet in the class. Bye everyone. Good night. Any doubts? Okay, bye everyone. Good day.